Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be reviewing this magnetic cat eye gel polish from Enailcouture called Space Galaxy Kitty. Let's get into it. So today's video is not going to be as in-depth, but if you want a step-by-step tutorial, you can watch any of my other videos. I just want to let you sit back and watch the product and enjoy the music. Also, this is my second time editing this video, so please show this video some love if you enjoy it. Don't forget to thumbs up and leave a comment. Thank you. Today I'm using Enailcouture square tips, and I've really been enjoying my Daily Charm nail tip extension gel lately. I've always used the press-on gel, but this one works just as good. It's a great alternative and it's nice to switch it up sometimes. As always, I'm flash curing each finger using my hands-free UV lamp that I got off Amazon. It'll be linked in the description bar, along with everything else that I use will also be in the description bar down below. Part is totally optional. You don't have to file them or shape them because they're already shaped pretty nicely, as you can tell, but I just like to get them just a little bit more boxy. They say that buffing off the surface and removing the shine will make the nail polish stick better. I don't know, I've definitely forgot to do it before and the polish still lasted. So, and just because I'm very extra, I like to go around my cuticles and blend it a little bit more so that it looks more sculptured, and also it gets rid of the excess gel that spills out around the cuticle. So here is the polish that we're using today. It's the Space Galaxy Kitty gel polish in the shade 019. It's this really cute purple that I got from Enailcouture. I love it. I've always had it. I've had it for a while now, but I'm just not getting around to trying it. I got these magnets off of Wish, but I don't recommend that. I think you should just get them from Amazon or something, because with Wish, it took like 3 months to get here. I literally thought they were never gonna come. So you're supposed to just kind of play with the magnets and, you know, see what type of patterns and shapes you want to come up with. I wish I would have bought more magnets because the other ones come with like more design, but I was just being cheap and only got 2, but this is fine. And then also you have to cure one finger at a time. I think if you don't cure each finger one at a time, that they said the magnetic effect will revert back to normal. So just do one finger at a time. It actually didn't take as long as I thought it would.
Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.
with this super cheap nail glue, rhinestone glue that I got off of AliExpress. I do not recommend this stuff. It's really cheap. Your rhinestones will pop right off. I was just using it for the sake of this video. Also, you see me placing rhinestones here, and I did end up changing the colored ones out just because I feel like it didn't really match with the purple. So if you keep watching, you'll see me adding them, continuing to add them, but then in the end I end up switching them out. So a hack that I recently discovered was using DIY gel to cure on nail charms, and it works so great. Like, I'm editing this video 2 weeks later from this set, and the nail charm is still on my finger. Like, it's holding off for dear life. So use DIY gel from Enailcouture to adhere your big nail charms. It works amazing. And even the rhinestones, I use them for some of my rhinestones, and they're still on both hands. Max Estrada did say that Wonder Gel it's not on his website right now, but he said that he's revamping the packaging and that'll come back sometime this summer. So just be on the lookout for that, and I guess in the meantime you can use the other gel top coat. It should work just as fine. So here you see me taking off these silver gems because I just wasn't feeling it. I didn't feel like it was all cohesive. So I just replaced it with one single Swarovski. I feel like cuticle oil just really brings it together and just revives your nails. It's just my favorite step. I love putting on cuticle oil. Brings my cuticles back to life, hydrates my phalanges, and it just looks so professional in the end. Look at that. Look at the set come to life. And don't forget to stay tuned for these pictures. Look at this video. Look at this video. Boom. Look at that. And actually both hands look different. Like, my left hand looks different than my right hand. I don't know why, but I like it. Thank you so much if you made it this far into the video. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up and comment. I appreciate you. And I'll see you in the next video where I'm going to be swatching some Amazon gel polishes. Bye!